Well, that's an important development coming in, and it's a very crucial development coming in at this point of time, as our government sources are saying that the government, India will not reserve crude from its, will not release crude from its strategic reserves going forward at the call of G7 nation. As you are aware that the G7 countries are contemplating to release crude from their strategic reserves to calm down prices, but the government sources are indicating that India will not be part of any such exercise as it is nowhere in this ongoing conflict, and its strategic reserve will be utilized for its own consumer. That's an important development coming in at this point of time. Along with that, government sources are also confirming that they are aware about the fact that the crude prices are going high, and but they're confirming that the retail prices in the domestic market will not go up. They're saying that the petrol, diesel prices are likely to be increased as oil marketing companies have sufficient buffer to bear the losses going forward. Therefore, that's an important development coming in. The government sources are saying that even if crude prices cross the $125 to $130 per barrel, petrol diesel prices are unlikely to be hiked. That's an important development at this hour. Along with that, sources are saying that the situation is evolving rapidly in the global market. In fact, for the first time, the Strait of Hormuz has been closed in this manner. In fact, movement of ships have been reduced to 3 per day from 138 per day. Therefore, availability of crude oil is not an issue at this point of time, but the transportation is, sourcing is. Therefore, we are expecting that the situation will be improving going forward. But at this point of time, government is open. It's all options, in fact, contemplating to increase sourcing from overseas market other than Strait of Hormuz. Along with that, when it comes to LPG stock, government sources are saying that industrial use of LPG has been completely restricted, prohibited. In fact, all LPG available in the country will be utilized for domestic purpose. Along with that, 25 days waiting period for second cylinder booking has been imposed to discourage hoarding. That's an important development. Along with that, the government is also scouting more nations to